If you're trying to purchase eFootball coins and you end up receiving this error message which says unable to purchase, an unexpected error has occurred with an error code which is 202600. So in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this. So the first step you need to do, just go to extras, then select support, then select service and info, then select check completed purchases. Now this function will assist you in completing any eFootball coin purchases that are being processed. Now just select proceed. Now after selecting proceed, just wait a little bit, and after that you can try to purchase again. If you have do so but you're still again receiving the same problem, then just follow the following steps. Now you need to contact support, and you can contact them through this website which will be available on the description. Here in the inquiry form, you just need to fill out and explain to them that you're facing this error message which is unable to purchase. Unexpected error has occurred with an error code which is 202600. So you just need to explain it to this inquiry form, and after that just select next, and then you can send out this form and they will be able to assist you. So just follow the steps that I've shown you, and if you're still receiving the same problem, just contact them and they will be able to assist you.